What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm actually going to be heading to Georgia. I'm going to be going there, see some family, as well as hit up the Z Nationals event. I believe it's at Z1. So we'll be doing that while we're there. My brother, we'll get to see his new car, his first car. So it'll fit in right at home there. So I'm not sure if I included, I don't think I had it on video yet, so we'll go ahead and do that when we get there. But I'm not gonna do a cold start today because I'm trying to hit the road. Got a lot of things to do before I get on the road to go to Georgia. But yeah, let's go ahead and head that way. I actually will be linking up with some of the homies because I believe some homies from the lineup is going to be there. They're gonna, well, for the Z Nationals event, they're gonna come up. So that'll be dope as well, and hopefully we don't hit any more dressers on the highway. Alright, as you can see, I'm at the usual spot. This is about the halfway mark, I guess. Tend to always stop here on the way to Georgia. Car is holding up pretty good. No big issues. I mean, the bumper is still in the bumper, but whatever. A little cleaner than I thought it would be, but I did go through a little rainstorm, so it might have something to do with it. But yeah, next check-in might be when I get gas or as I'm getting in to the house, but we'll see. Stay tuned. Alright, just made it here, and not too bad, about 6.5 hours. There's my brother's car. Probably go over it tomorrow when it's light out, but not bad, especially for his first car. I'm impressed. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here for the day. Pick up the camera probably tomorrow or whenever we do anything. Alright, here's a better look in the daytime. Like I mentioned, we about to go link up with one of the homies. So we'll drive over there, check him out. Homie Amir. Not sure if anybody else is gonna be there, but we're gonna check him out, see how he's doing, how he's recovering and everything. But yeah, we've been dope to link up with him at Gatlinburg this year, but we're going to Z1 for their event. But yeah, go ahead and pick up the camera when we get over there. Alright, just pulling up now. We've decided not to take both cars. Just drove mine. So I am here, and we got a bunch of cars here. Definitely make sure you follow the homie. His business page. Currently working on a few things. Get the car ready for GAT. Couple final touches. But yeah, we're just chilling. I need to get a sound clip of this. Sounds pretty good. So once he started back up, I'll go ahead and record some more.
Shit, man. All that thumping I'll be doing, taking a toll on that alternator.
Yeah. That's not a good one.
I'm surprised that alternators lasted this long, because ever since I had the car, I put a system in it like the first week.
Wow.
I'm surprised I haven't had to do the alternator yet.
So I definitely need to get a system in the car. Like,
bro, that's the first thing I do on every car, bro. I can't have no music, bro.
yeah. After having it and going back to not having it is trash. Like,
There. And Infiniti and Nissan's audio is butt.
yeah.
It's butt pack.
Yep. Yeah.
These stock speakers ain't
Nothing.
shitty.
So I'm gonna need to upgrade the speakers inside too, cause I didn't do that with my Ultima, and the vocals were trash because I ain't upgrade them. So, looking good. Yeah, just sounded good. Here, that V8. Oh yeah, I'm looking at it. Just loaded in the front. Going for the test drive. Sound good too.
Oh yeah, it looks way better now. Way better.
Yep, looking good. Yeah. Yeah.
Hell yeah, that's just
Yeah.
yeah, cause it's causing the car to fucking dump more fuel. Trying to compensate, so it's burning that fuel every time the gas.
That sounds crazy though. That's
Oh, bro, this thing is insane.
with 2 cats on it still. That's
It comes with 4 of those.
yeah.
I can't wait to take it.
Yeah. That's yeah. But yeah, you definitely came quick with everything.
Trying, bro. I'm trying to be like you.
Definitely sounded good.
It's a muffler delete all the way up to like right here. I was trying to chop the headers, but the headers are attached to the motor too far up,
Okay.
so I'm not able to do it.
Gotcha.
Unless it's eventually done.
Right.
Just trip the gas. You gotta go next year with us, bro. This Kai's going too.
Yeah. He going this year?
No. Well, no. I think next year.
Gotcha.
So like when we get back, we're planning it.
Alright.
So Kai can go, you can go. It'll be a nice cabin trip.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
I don't see anything.
I like it because it's loud, but it's not too loud.
Right.
You know? And it's not fast, but it's not slow. The only thing I don't like is don't swing.
Gotcha.
Because of the sensor.
Yeah. But hey, it works though.
Yeah. As long as it runs, that's all I care about.
Right. Alright, so I made it back home to Florida. Car held up great, no incidents to report. I'm doing pretty good here. Didn't end the video. I noticed when I was about to edit that I didn't have an ending, so want to go ahead and do that. The next video that'll be coming out will be from the Z Nationals Day. Definitely sorry about the delay for these videos, but had a lot going on and we get into it, and I'm just getting back home, so editing this video now, so that should be up shortly. But the next one, I'm scheduling that for Friday to come out. And yeah, we got some other events. It was dope having the lineup, or some people from the lineup go to Georgia as well for the Z Nationals. Depending on the time, we definitely gonna try to do it again next year and have more members join. And we're gonna try to see if we can also hit up Gatlinburg. Hopefully they won't be the same time again, but we will see. We'll see what the schedules look like for next year. But yeah, I don't want to extend this one out for too long, so let's go ahead and do the comment of the day. The comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.